Who said that you can't pivot or have multiple career options? Who said that learning something in new field is not practical? Coming from finance background, I have mastered cybersecurity over the years. Now, mastering artificial intelligence is next on my bucket list. This is Vishwanath and this is my journey. I am a practicing chartered accountant with more than 25 years of experience, and I have also done CISA certification. I stay in Kammam, which is 200 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Based on my day-to-day professional experience, I have realized that everything is dynamic. Technology is rapidly changing. Customers' expectations are changing. So I felt that there is need to continuously update and upgrade your skills in order to sustain in this competitive market. I was passionate and determined to upgrade my skills in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. For that, I need proper institute to equip with requisite skills to explore new market opportunities. For that, I visited so many institutes, around 30 to 40 institutes, but their explanation or the course curriculum, I was not satisfied. So after searching Google and YouTube, I came across Simplilearn. When I called the Simplilearn salesperson, he has explained everything in a very professional manner. He clearly explained that course curriculum has been designed to meet the requisite needs of people from non-IT background, and scheduling of classes will be done to meet the requirements of working professionals. Then I thought Simplilearn could be one-stop solution for all my learning needs. So first I have enrolled for cybersecurity, successfully completed the course. Then I thought future is AI, so why should not I enroll? I immediately enrolled, successfully completed, and now I'm happy that I made the right decision. My learning experience with Simplilearn is excellent. Even though I was determined and passionate to learn cybersecurity and artificial intelligence, I need proper support and guidance to reach my goal. Simplilearn has provided that by giving top-class faculty, very good curriculum, and scheduling the classes in best possible manner. I want to thank my faculty, Baba Shahir, for certification course in cybersecurity from IIT Kanpur, and Raghav Goyal for Generative AI course from Purdue University, USA. These two faculties have provided me conceptual clarity in various complex topics. Because of them, I gained interest and able to get command over both the courses. So I want to thank both my faculty and Simplilearn for providing the excellent faculty. I'm feeling content after completing my Generative AI course. I am able to apply AI in my day-to-day professional work and complete the tasks efficiently and effectively, and thereby I'm able to optimize my customer or client satisfaction. It's never too late for anyone to make career switch. If you have drive and passion to learn, Simplilearn will provide the guidance and support to reach your goal.